The male adapter connects the female hose connector to your pressure washer. The plastic adapter fits inside the hose connector and secures it to the pump, allowing the connector to swivel. Over time, the adapter can fatigue and break. It can be accidentally broken if something hits the hose connector. Replacing the male adapter is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless grills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the inlet filter from the hose connector. Now I'll use a hex socket to remove the male adapter. I'll remove the O-ring from the male adapter. Now I can install the new male adapter. Now I'll install the O-ring onto the male adapter. I'll install the male adapter into the female connector, and now this assembly can go onto the pump. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the inlet filter. And that's all it takes to install a new male adapter on your pressure washer. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.